Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about Renaissance. Do you know that terms? Renaissance, I think Renaissance is similar like these days because Renaissance result from some Black Death. Do you know Black Death? Black Death is similar like coronavirus. Over half of people in Europe was dead because of Black Death. It is similar like these days 2020. Over many people, half of many people, I don't know how to say the number for English, but many people got this virus. After Renaissance, many things were changed. I think after after finishing this coronavirus, the world will be changed a lot. Let's start about Renaissance. Okay? First, Renaissance is the mean of rebirth. Rebirth means Renaissance. So, you can imagine after Renaissance, the things was changed rather than before the Renaissance. So, let's talk about what is changed. Okay? First, I want to talk about architecture. Before Renaissance, the architecture was not humanistic. After Renaissance, we can find some specific features in there. Before Renaissance, artists used a lot of gold. It means God, yeah. Before Renaissance, it's we could not find realistic in there before, but after Renaissance, we can find realistic. Like before Renaissance, you can find, oh, there are same people, but after Renaissance, oh, it is he, but shape is different. He is handsome, he is ugly. You can think like that. I said Renaissance means rebirth. Rebirth? Re means something was happened. Re means again. So, again something. Do you know what is that something? It is the culture of Greek and Roman culture. Renaissance means rebirth, the culture of Greek and Roman. So, the features of Renaissance is similar with ancient Greece and ancient Greece and Roman styles. Okay? So, wait a minute. Okay. There are some so important features of Renaissance. Architecture and painting styles was changed, but there are the most important factor of Renaissance. It is the focus on science. The focus on science. Before Renaissance, Middle Ages is 중세시대. Before Renaissance is Middle Ages. During Middle Ages, people only focused on God. God. Like that. Oh, this mouse is fallen down. The reason is God pulled it. Oh, are you sick? It is the reason. Because of God. God. They thought Every causes is related to God. But after Renaissance, they thought, no, I think there is some reason, not God. I think it is science. It is the big changes. Okay? For example, do you know Copernicus? Copernicus is some person who claimed sun is stopped and another planet is turning around the sun. But at that time, it is not believed. Many people not believe it. They believe Earth is middle and sun is rotating around the Earth. And Copernicus had a lot of a lot of mm, a lot of bad words. He heard, you're a liar, you're a faker. But Copernicus is true, was true. But it was hard to make the person to believe that. But you can find some important things. People started to think about something related to science at Renaissance. Not only God, it is important thing. There are some famous scientists in Renaissance. It is Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei is a scientist who developed telescope, and he also argued the same thing with Copernicus. Okay, now let's talk about some architecture style. Before Renaissance, there was some Gothic style. Gothic style is so complicated, so beautiful, so many features, so specific architecture style. But after that, it was changed to similar with ancient Greek and Roman style. Ancient Greek and Roman style was a simple style, not complicated style such as medieval style, Gothic style. Gothic style was the main style at during medieval, but it was changed, similar with ancient Greek and Roman style. So, you can notice it. Before Renaissance, they only thought God was the most important factor in our life. But after Renaissance, what is that? God could not solve these diseases. Many people dead. Where is God? God could not help us. We can find some another factor. So it started that the person thought about the science. I hope after this coronavirus, our world will have a good solution. I hope we could make a good way to make our earth better. Thank you for listening my lecture and see you next time. Goodbye.